Nordic Semiconductor Power Profiler Kit 2 is an affordable, flexible tool that provides hardware and software engineers with a simple method for measuring the average and dynamic power consumption in embedded solutions. An ampere meter mode and source measure unit mode are supported. Power for the PPK2 comes from a standard 5-volt USB port. The PPK2 also offers engineers 8 digital inputs that can be used as a low-end logic analyzer. This makes it possible to instrument the code and make it easy to link the power consumption to blocks of code being executed. With an accurate measurement down to 200 nanoamps, a resolution down to 0.2 microamps, a 100 kilosamples per second sampling speed, and measurement accuracy of plus or minus 20%, the PPK2 can be used with any Nordic development kit or as a standalone unit.